Welcome to Jainam Software. Today's video is about maintaining unique ID for customers in Jainam Software. Unique identity is used to identify fake identities which result in data leakages. So friends, looking at the importance of this and looking at its importance, let's see how we can go and implement this in Jainam Software. So for this, we'll have to go in Master Setup. In Master Setup, there is the setting entry form. When you click on setting, you get the setting entry form. You select the category as general and setting name as customer unique identity on. You will see these are the different values where you can set the customer's unique identity, like the passport, voter ID, driving license, Aadhaar card. I am going to select the value Aadhaar card. Okay, so I'm going to copy this value and put it here. Say add. Okay, add. So this value has been saved. Now let's see, this value has been saved. Okay, so you see here customer unique identity on. So now let's go and see where this has impacted. So when you try to create a customer, okay, so I'll try to create a customer based on the Aadhaar card unique identity. So okay, now when I want to save this, I'm going to go to UID and save him based on his Aadhaar card. Okay, so this is his Aadhaar card. I'm going to save this. So this customer has been saved. Now I will go ahead and create another customer with the same Aadhaar card number. Let's see what happens, whether the system allows me to do it or not. Okay, now I'll try to create this customer on the same Aadhaar card number. So this was the Aadhaar card number that I put for the last customer. Now I try to save this. See, it gives me the message that Aadhaar unique identity already exists because we've already created a customer with the same Aadhaar card number. Now I'm just going to change this number to 76, and now the system will allow us to save this entry. Yes, now the entry has been saved because this is a unique Aadhaar card number. So friends, this way we can manage unique customers identity in Jainam Software. So I hope friends you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe our Jainam Software YouTube channel for more important and unique features. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.